This project is a Peyote twin bracelet. I'm using twin beads. I've got size 10 seed beads, a stopper bead, and I've threaded my needle and I've waxed my thread. The first thing I'm going to do is pick up a twin, a seed, a twin, a seed, a twin, and a seed, and bring them down to my stop bead. So you can see this is what I have here now. And then I'm going to pick up one more seed and one more twin, and I'm coming out of this seed here and I'm going to go into the top hole of that twin bead. Now the first row or two is always a little hard to do, just to hold things in place, but you'll see as we go on it's quite quick. So then we've got another twin and I'm going through the next top hole of that twin bead, and then one more twin and the next top hole of the next twin bead. And now if you firm it up and make sure everything's sitting correctly, there you can see that we're starting to get our shape. So again, I'm picking up one seed and a twin, going through the next top hole of the following twin. On the next row, a twin through the next one. This is a nice, fun, easy little bracelet to make. Where am I? Upside down. There we go. And then the last one through there. And again, we're going to turn around to come back the other way. And it's exactly the same. A seed bead and a twin bead. Back through that top hole of the next one in the line. Twin through the next one. Twin through the next one. And finally, turn around again, seed bead and a twin, and up through that top hole. So we just continue along in exactly the same way as that until you get the length of your bracelet. Leave about 1 inch for the clasp. I've finished the length of my bracelet, and you can see I've got this nice little edge all the way along, and you can leave your bracelet like that if you want. I'm going to show you how to finish off the end here. The first, I'm coming out of this last twin, I'm picking up 2 seed beads, and then I'm just going to go through the end one without adding another seed, another twin. Pick up 1, and you can choose to put 2 in at the ends if you feel you need the extra space, depending on the size of the seed beads that you're using. I'm just going to put 1 in between each for this one. And that's tidied up my end. And I can, if I wanted to, now attach my clasp. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to fill in the sides. So, and again here, you can use 2 to 3 to get down the sides. It really depends on, the size of your seed beads to see what fits nicest. I might try 3 on this one. So I've come down here and I've picked up 3 seed beads, and I'm going to go through that sticking out bead. Pick up another 3. Again, go through the next bead along. Another 3. And the next bead along. And you continue like that all the way down the side of the bracelet and then back up the other side. So I'll just do that, and then we'll add a clasp. I've added beads on both sides of my bracelet, and I've come back to the first end, and I'm just going to add 1 more bead here to even up the end. So, and then I'll take the thread across the bracelet to the other side, so that sort of evens up the end and makes it nice and flat. I'll just come across to the other side There we go. And now I'm going to add a clasp. Now I've decided for this one, I'll show you how to do a 2-strand clasp on the end here. So it's quite easy. I'm going to pick up a seed bead, go through one side of the clasp, pick up another seed bead, and then I'm just going to go back through this end bead, which will form a little loop on the end. There you go. You can see that there. Then I'll just keep going around and around here a few times till I'm happy that I'm secure. Through the clasp, down through the second seed bead, and then back through the end seed bead. Once I've done that 2 or 3 times, I'm then going to travel across to exit from this bead here. So I'm now coming out of this side and I'm going to add the other side of the clasp. So I've added on one seed bead, I'll come up through the clasp, I'll add one more seed bead and then go back through the bead I'm going out of in the other direction. And that sits my clasp in place, and then of course I'm just going to go around a few more times to firm that up. Finally, I'll take my stop bead off the other end and I'll do exactly the same at the other end.